Hello friends, welcome to Efficient Learning World. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about great extensions that is J2 Team Cookies that will be helpful to extract or import cookies from any of your browser or platform wherever you want to extract cookies. This will be helpful. So there are actually two extensions. First one is the Cookies Extractor, and then second one is J2 Team Cookies. But my personal recommendation is J2 Team Cookies because from the Cookies Extractor, it's obvious from the name that it's only for the extracting cookies, not for good for importing, not sport. But J2 Team Cookies is available, and it allows like sports both extracting cookies and importing cookies as well. So let's say for example you are logged in your let's say go with an example as a use case. For example, I have logged into my this profile, that is my business mail42@gmail.com. I am currently logged into my this profile in Canva platform, and my another profile is this one ali123mazhar@gmail.com. And let's say I write here Canva and click on the first link. Then if you are able to see, like I am currently not logged into any Canva using any profile. So let's say I want to sign in using the same profile like this one. So how I will be extracting cookies? This is just a simple use case, but you can explore many as much of your use case according to whatever your need. So let's say I first of all, the first step is go to your browser, open a new tab and write J2 Team Cookies, and then click on first link. That will be, it's a actually simple tool to extract or import cookies. And then currently I already installed these extensions because not to waste time while installing the extensions during the video. So you will be just need to go into your platform, wherever you go you want to extract the cookies, and then you will be clicking on the click extensions icon here in your browser, and then J2 Team Cookies, and then you will be able to see the platform here. I will be explaining the options one by one. First one is export. For example, I want to export as a file, then it will save as a file in my local machine, like a laptop, computer, whatever I'm using. And then second one is export as text. If I click on the export as text, then it will be copied to my clipboard. Second option is I already have let's say I already have this like cookies in my machine, for example like this one. So I will be need to just import. So I will be clicking on the import down arrow, and then here are options: import from file, from your local machine, import from text if you have copied from somewhere, and import from URL as well. So I have successfully actually copied from export as text in my this profile of Canvas cookies. So I will be moving to another profile. Now I'm in ali123mazhar@gmail.com, and then I just refresh, and then you can see here currently I'm not logged in. But let's say I click on this extension icon and then go to the J2 Team Cookies, and then you will be able to see like import again. So import from text and then paste the cookies what I have copied from the another browser. So I just paste it and then click on the import, and then just refresh it, and then boom, you can see here I am currently logged into my same Canva, Canva with the same profile I have logged into this. So yeah, this is a simple extension. Because it's a simple extension, you don't have to worry where to put the cookies, because normally you have to put the cookies in your browser like here, but you don't know have much technical knowledge of technical knowledge stuff. So you don't have to worry where to paste the cookies, how to import or export the cookies from your browser. You just can download it, like install the simple extensions named J2T Cookies, and then you will be just needing to click on the extensions, and then here is a simple option: export as a file, export as a text. And then if you have already copied from somewhere else, then you can import from file or from the text or from the URL as well. So it's a simple use case. There are many use cases as well. For example, if you have the cookies of your browser, some platform, then you want to logged in into the same platform using the same credentials in your mobile, but you don't know the credentials actually. So you can also use the cookies as well in your mobile phone as well. If you have a question or like want to know how I can use the same cookies in my mobile phone as well, you can comment on this video, so I can make another video for that as well, in which I will be explaining that if you have copied the cookies from your browser and you want to use in your mobile phone, then how you can use it. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. This is a simple extensions related to team cookies, and it will be helpful for extracting or importing cookies. Another extension I mentioned that is cookies extractor, but I explained that my personal recommendation is j2d cookies. So you can go for it, and if you want to go to cookies extractor, just go for it and then explore, and also comment what you liked and disliked in cookies extractor, and what you liked and disliked in j2 teams, and what's your favorite personal recommendation to use go for extracting or importing cookies. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Have a good day.